Welcome to a brand new video of Billion Cars. Purchasing a car is not a one-time investment. Understanding the recurring costs will help you make a better choice. The cost of spare parts is in direct relation to the cost of your car. Higher the value of a car, higher is the cost of maintenance. For example, if the average distance your car travels is 20 kilometers per day, then the average yearly cost incurred on general servicing and mechanical wear and tear parts is somewhere around 2 to 3% of the value of your car at the time of purchase. This excludes, of course, the fuel charges and other accessories you may purchase for the car. With so many cars plying on the road, safety should always be the number one priority. Crash tests are conducted by organizations like Global NCAP or New Car Assessment Program on different protocols like frontal offset testing, side impact testing, child dummy dynamic crash testing, and they rate a car on a scale of 1 to 5. A simple Google search can tell you the rating for the car brand of your choice. Most important safety feature of a car is an airbag. Nowadays, almost every car is equipped with a driver airbag, and most mid and top level variants come with a front passenger airbag and side airbags. Other safety features include ABS, EBD, and ESP. ABS or anti-lock braking system is an electronic intermittent braking system which prevents locking of wheel while applying full brakes in critical conditions and spontaneously responds to driver steering attempts. It also helps achieve shortest braking distance when coupled with EBD. Wet tracks can spin a car out of control while braking. ABS plays a very crucial role on wet tracks by keeping the vehicle steerable. ESP or Electronic Stability Program prevents understeer or oversteer of your car while negotiating curves at high speeds or a sudden steering attempt in an emergency situation. It maneuvers the car into a stable track. Creating the right structure for your car insurance contract can be a tricky thing. Trusting your agent or dealer blindly is definitely not the wise thing to do while choosing your insurance. Lower premium rates may not always be a good deal for you. The term IDV or Insured Declared Value refers to the maximum claim your insurer will pay if your vehicle is damaged beyond repair or is stolen. In short, it's the market value of your car minus depreciation. The cost of registration and aftermarket accessory fitment of the vehicle is excluded from the IDV. This value is mutually agreed between you and the insurance company every year. Your insurance premium is calculated based on this value. Remember, the premium you pay is directly related to the IDV. In case of an accidental repair to your car, insurance companies pay out the claim based on the structure of your policy contract. For example, if you have a comprehensive policy, the claim paid will be total bill minus compulsory deductible, depreciation on the plastic parts, metal parts, and paint material and consumables. In case you wish to avoid these depreciation charges, you can choose a depreciation reimbursement cover or commonly known as bumper-to-bumper policy by paying additional premium. Insurance companies offer a variety of such add-on covers which save you a lot of money in case of an accidental claim. If you owned a car before and have sold it, you can transfer the no-claim bonus to your new car by getting a NCB certificate from your previous insurer. In the videos to follow, we will talk about simple car maintenance habits, car repairs, and servicing. So, subscribe and hit the bell icon.